Alright, so I had one full day using the 18-inch bar on the Milwaukee M18 saw, and battery life not much less, maybe 2-3 cuts less you get maybe on the bigger stuff. I'm saying like 12 to 20 inches round, and or try to say diameter. And what's it called? Smaller stuff cut just the same as with the 16-inch bar, but you have like better handling with the longer bar, a little more control. So it's definitely an upgrade you should do. I should have did it as soon as I bought the saw. I didn't think it was gonna be that big of a difference, but it's definitely a lot nicer and solid, more of a cut. It's a little slower, but it's definitely a meatier cut. But definitely worth the upgrade. Direct bolt on, no mod, just adjust it. That'd be it.